Today we have with us Mr. Shehzan Haider. He is the founder of SEOBrain. So hey, please introduce yourself to our
No, wait.
audience.
I think that's Sharad is a member of our team, so I think you got the name wrong. Maybe let's
Okay.
do that again.
So he was the
Yeah,
one I was talking to on FB.
yeah. He's a member of our team. Yeah,
Okay. So what is your good
he's
name?
yeah. Sorry, what is that?
What is your good name?
Sharad, just Sharad. Yeah.
Shehroz. Okay, okay. Okay. So yeah, please introduce yourself and the tool.
Well, thanks a lot for that intro. So my name is Sharad. I'm the founder of SEOBrain.io. So SEOBrain.io is an AI-powered agent platform that allows businesses to automate their entire content creation, SEO, and AEO workflows. So the goal is that businesses can plug in their website and it will take care of everything end to end and helps you rank your business so that you can generate business leads not only from search engines but also from AI engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and so on.
Okay. So what like sets it apart from its competitors? Like what is the USP of SEOBrain?
Sorry, can you say that again? The connection is really bad. I'm not sure what's happening.
I just asked that what is the thing that sets apart SEOBrain from its competitors? What is the USP of SEOBrain? Like what exactly it is bringing to the table? This is what I want to ask.
Got it. Okay. So most platforms are either focused on SEO or AEO, whereas our platform is tailored, built for both. So that's one of the key unique value propositions of the platform. So, we built the AI agent system to create content uh, based on that, right? So it not just optimizes for the SEO, but also for the AEO. So AI engines, like ChatGPT or Gemini and Claude, so they have a very sort of specific set of instructions, rules, if you want to call it that, on what sort of content they want to rank, right? So, and then SEO engines like Google, Bing, and so on, they have, particular type and format of content. So our platform sort of balances both. So
Okay.
that's the main sort of value proposition. And then other than that, we have features like, fine tuning the LLM to match your brand tone and voice. So that's another key differentiator. Of that, the integrations that we've built into the platform that get real-time data for keywords, content gap optimization, and so on. So that gives us quite a bit of edge as well. So I think these are the
Okay.
different factors that differentiate us from some of the competitors.
Okay. And where do we see like SEOBrain in the next 5 years? Is there any new update or anything big on the roadmap as of yet?
Yeah, so the AAO features that we're building at the moment. So that's quite a bit feature that we're going to release. Our main goal is to sort of build this as a platform that can connect that can fully automate this whole process for businesses, right? At the moment, we're still quite early in terms of this new sort of technology. But we really want to build a system where this AI agent can sort of do everything for you end to end. It can learn about your business on a daily, weekly basis, understand what kind of content is going on, how your business is currently uh, coming up in different search engines, sort of gathers all that data
Okay.
and then learns about it, then uses all of that to create content, and with the ultimate goal of handling both sort of content, on-site, backlinks. So we want to build a tool that can sort of fully automate all of that. So I think that's our vision. That's where we want to get to. And hopefully, we have a good roadmap that will eventually sort of get us there in the next sort of couple of months and years. Yeah.
Sure, sure. All the best for that. And is your connection now okay? So we can start with the tutorial.
Yeah, let's do that. Let me just sign in. Great. So this is basically, once you sign up and complete the onboarding, this is basically where you'll land. So we'll go over some of the first steps first. So when you
Okay.
sign up and when you enter your business site, basically the AI agent, the first thing that it does is it's um, gets everything from your website in order to understand what your product is, what the
Okay.
business is. It understands what kind of services you provide, and then basically creates this business profile um, to sort of help the AI agent understand what kind of content to create and how to optimize it, right? So here we have the summary of the business, what the primary business goal is, what the content goal is going to be, right? So this helps us, this helps the AI agent tailor the content based
Okay.
on what it has to create. And then it fetches other information like the industry, your niche, your core values, and your tone of voice. So obviously you can modify these things, and these are what the main parameters that the AI agent uses to create content. So after that, you can select the region where you want to optimize for. For example, if you want your site to be ranked in the US, then you can select US. There's a bunch of different countries that we currently support. So at the moment, we've set this to UK. So all the content planning, all the keyword research, all of that is basically done, on this location, right? So it's
Okay.
going to be different for the US, it's going to be different for the UK, it's going to be different for different countries. So once you sort of complete the onboarding, what the AI agent does after that is it basically does the initial keyword research. So it basically, so we're using a bunch of different tools here. So from where we get real-time data, we get real keyword data, and then all of this is basically then used by the agent. So these are the initial seed keywords that the AI agent researched. For example, you can see machine learning consulting services, AI business applications. So these are all relevant keywords that it found for this particular business, right?
Got it.
And it also got their search volume, their competition, and all the other sort of metrics that are important for the content writer agent. So this basically keyword process happens sort of every week. So every week it goes out there, fetches new keywords that might be relevant for your business, and then it adds them to your keyword manager so that the AI agent and content planning agent can use those.
Okay.
So the agents are built in a way to optimize to create content based on competition that is either low or medium or high search volume. So that helps uh, the AI agent basically create content that you can quickly rank for. So it tries to find the low hanging fruit, and it sort of goes from there. So once we have the keywords done, after that, we have the content planner. So the content planner agent then comes up. So the system is built of a number of different AI agents. So we have the keyword agent, we have the content planner agent, we have the SEO research agent, and then after that, the content writer and optimization and so on.
Okay.
So here you can see the content calendar. So the content planner will plan the whole content for the next 30 days based on your plan. So if your plan has like 60 blogs per month, then it will create the content plan accordingly. If your plan has 30 blogs a month, then it will create the content plan accordingly.
Okay.
And the content plan is created in a way that it basically does content gap analysis. It understands where your site is lacking, where it can sort of rank quickly, what the opportunities are, right? And then using all of that data along with the keywords research data, it then creates a content plan. So
Okay.
once we have the content plan, then on a daily basis, the content writer and optimization agents work to create content for those for that plan, right? So here we can see the content that has been created. So for example, in this particular plan, we had 2 blog posts per day. So you can see these are the ones that have been created. So I'll
Yeah.
go over this in a bit. Once the content is created, we have two options in the platform. At the moment, you can approve the content before it gets published, right? So you can review the content, make sure everything's okay, approve it, and then it will get published automatically to your site.
Okay.
So when I come here, I can go to the content. So we've built this content editor. So here you can see the images have been generated by the AI as well. All of this content has been written. So this blog was around 3,200 words. So this was written for this particular niche, for this particular query, so generative AI for manufacturing. So here you can, review if you've not set up auto approval, then you can manually review it, add anything else or make any changes that you want, and then you can approve it, and then it will get published, right? So here, we have the what you see is what you get editor. You can use this. We have a bunch of different features that you can use if you want to sort of manually tweak things as well. So another cool feature that we have in the platform is the SERP. So here we can see all the keywords that have been used. We can see the SEO score, the content score. Here we have the top SERP results. So any key phrase that it's trying to optimize for, it basically finds the top competitors that are currently ranking for that query.
Okay.
So in this case, it found top competitors that are currently ranking for generative AI manufacturing, right?
Okay.
And it basically, so we have articles from Google that are ranking, from Science Direct, and so on. And then it basically tries to understand what kind of content they've written, right? What their average word count is, what their average number of headings are, titles, what kind of keywords they've used, and so on. And then with the goal of writing better content. Unless you can write better content than what is already ranking, it becomes very difficult for your content to rank. So this feature basically helps the AI understand what the competition is doing, how they've written their content, and then basically tries to do better than them, right? And then this gives us a lot more. This makes it a lot easier for that content to rank once it's been optimized and so on, right? So here, obviously, you can have a look at their content as well, so you can see what kind of stuff they've written, their headings and things like that. So you can review all of that here. So after that, the next feature that we have is you can connect your CMS directly to the platform. So at the moment, we support WordPress and Webflow. So you can connect your WordPress or Webflow site, and that will basically help the agent automatically publish it without once you've approved or auto-approved, right? So at the moment, we don't have any site connected to this account, but obviously you can do that with your site. So we only support one connection per site in order to stop the platform from being abused. So yes, once you connect your site, you can see the content that's been published. You can see when the next sync is going to be, and so on. So yeah. Here on the dashboard, you basically get an overview of the platform, overview of what the agents have been doing. So you can check out the contents that are pending review, the total number of blogs that have been written this week, the total that are pending review, the total that have been published, how many total sites are connected, and so on. So all of your stats basically you can access from this dashboard. So yeah, this hopefully this gives you a good overview of the platform and the features. The AEO features, so that's the next big feature that we're going to be releasing in the next sort of couple of days. So that feature will give you, so you'll be able to track how your brand is doing on AI search engines. So you'll be able to track, how many mentions are you getting on different search engines. what kind of queries are people searching for on these platforms like ChatGPT and Claude and so on. So we have this whole visibility dashboard that's going to be launching soon. That's going to give you very detailed, thorough analysis of how your brand is doing, and you can track it over time when you sort of plug in your site with SEOBrain and you see content that's getting published. You can track where you started and how it's doing over time. So it's going to give you, very sort of thorough analysis. Another cool feature that we're going to be releasing in the next couple of weeks is the Google Search Console integration.
Okay.
So once you'll be able, you'll be able to connect Google Search Console directly to the platform, and what that will enable is we'll be able to get real-time data about how your site is going to be doing, what keywords is it already ranking for, where is it lacking. You'll be able to track, for example, if you've published some of these blogs to your site, you'll be able to track how they're doing over time. So you'll be able to sort of build a real sort of powerful agent with that data, and you'll be able to question the agent. We're going to build an interface that will allow the user to question the agent and ask questions like how where am I ranking for this particular article, where am I ranking for this keyword. So that's going to open up a whole new sort of lot of possibilities for the customers and the users. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was a very great detailed tutorial. I'm sure people must have understood. So, is there anything else you want to add up?
Sorry, what was that?
Is there anything else you want to add up? Like, what is the most common problem people face while using SEO Brain? Or what is the most common question people have
So
regarding?
I can tell you about Yeah. One of the again people. So there are two categories of people. One who understand what that whole process looks like, right? There's keyword planning, there's content gap planning, content analysis, and then content planning, writing, optimization, so on. So obviously, people who do understand that, obviously, it's clear for them, but there is a second category of people who sort of don't understand what goes on in order to get your site ranked on SEO or AEO platforms. So we've built the platform in a way that it makes it very easy for them, right? One of the questions we do get is how can we track how the content is doing over time, right?
Okay.
So um, for that, we're going to be launching this Google Search Console integration very soon. So that will give you a lot of visibility into
Just a
how your
second.
existing content is doing,
Your
how your
video
existing landing
is
page is doing.
the video's paused like due to some network error.
Hello?
Now it's okay. Now it's fine. Now it's
Okay.
fine. Yeah, now it's fine.
The screen sharing or the video?
Now the video paused, like your video paused. Now it's fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. I think so. Did you get that, or should I
No, no,
repeat
no.
that?
We don't need to re-get that. You can start.
Okay. Yeah, so like I said, we've built the platform in a way that makes it easier for both these categories of people to use it, right? The ones who do have deep knowledge of how SEO and uh, inbound content works, and the second category who don't have much information about that. So hopefully, we'll be able to sort of the platform will be able to sort of help both those categories, and with the new features that are going to be releasing, it's going to make the platform really powerful and will give users ability to do a lot of different things on the platform. Yeah.
Okay, sure. So it was very nice talking to you. Wish you the best and the whole team of SEO Brain. You guys are doing great. Thank you so much for talking. And this will be live soon on our website as well, on our sales page. Okay,
Okay.
sure. Thank you.
Got it. Sure. Yeah. So yeah, just share the link with us as soon as this is live,
Yeah, sure.
and hopefully we'll review it and share any feedback on that. Yeah.
Sure, sure. Okay. Thank you.